Welcome to our Juddhaven Boathouse. It's been a few years since we've been back to this project and we wanted to give you a little tour around. I just want to shout out the amazing contractors who worked with Kelly Project Management on this one. They did a phenomenal job at pulling this boathouse and cottage, which we'll see after together. Starting down on this lower dock area, we wanted to have a lot of space for our clients to entertain and enjoy the water. We also wanted to bring the inside out, and so we have these big overhangs that help shade the building, as well as these big garage doors to allow everyone to kind of flow freely in and out of this space and enjoy both the inside if you don't worship the sun, or the outside if you do enjoy the sun. We're down here at the end of the dock, perfect place to sit and enjoy Lake Rosso. On this boathouse, we do have a 3-slip boathouse, allowing our clients to store a lot of their toys inside, up on boat lifts, dry and out of the weather. Inside our boathouse, we have an amazing lounge area, big TV to watch the golf game or those late Stanley Cup games. We have a wonderful area to sit and eat, have some lunch, and still enjoy and be down here at the water. And obviously, the biggest thing is storing all the boats, so lots of space to store boats. Moving up here to the rooftop of our boathouse, we have, again, lots of seating area. And as we move down, we have these lounge area right here on the side and a more comfortable seating zone at the end. Over here on the side, we have this wonderful bar area that opens up to the inside and allows, again, our clients to be protected from the sun, but also still enjoy the conversation while being inside and out at the same time. Moving into the inside of our boathouse, we have a nice sitting area right here, again, allowing our clients to enjoy the boathouse in the winter or in those shoulder seasons when it gets a little bit colder, or even just on a rainy day. Around the corner here, we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. One of our bedrooms is being used to have 2 double beds and house as many people as possible. And then we have maybe a little bit more of a comfortable queen size bed. And then obviously the ensuite here as well. That's a little bit of a tour of our Juddhaven Boathouse. Again, thanks again to the contractor, Kelly Project Management, for pulling together a really amazing project. And thanks to all the trades that worked on this project.